Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. Lalela mntomnyama. This is Moses Mapida. But ke angikho lana ukuzokhuluma ngeMoses Mapida or iChips or iPirates. Lana ngizokhuluma ngestory not a lot of people know about. Lana ngizokhuluma ngehero who never got his flowers. Lana ngizokhuluma ngelegend elenza a big impact like South Africa. Kodwa ngenxa yokuthi umuntu omnyama, he never got recognized. Asiqale. In the early 2000s, South Africa was preparing for something big. La South Africa kwakuzoza i-2010 FIFA World Cup. Kodwa manje, since all eyes were on us as a South Africa, inkinga yethu iyodwa, infrastructure, izakhiwo zala South Africa were not good enough to handle ama-international tourists. And so the South African government yakhipha ithenda yathi sicela as iKZN nakhe istadium esizorepresenta iKZN and possibly the whole of South Africa. And so bahlangana belungu bazama bengama architects befundile bazama to create that stadium bahluleka. And so they decided to no yazini asi-expand lento, let's create a competition under i-program ebizwa nge-Ibhola Lethu Consortium. They created that program, bacela abantu ukuthi beze nama-ideas abo for a new stadium. And out of that competition, kwaphuma a young genius, someone who outshined all of them with province yase-KZN, and it was uSibusiso Nene. uSibusiso Nene created a stadium out of iwaya, ucingo. He created the foundation for what we know as Moses Mapida Stadium. He won that competition for i-design yakhe. But unfortunately, uSibusiso was umntomnyama, and so iSitha decided ukuthi no, lo, we will cheat him, lo, sizomroba, and he will not get the recognition he deserves for the design yakhe siyayintshontsha le design le sizothethu. Finally, iMoses Mapida Stadium was built. Uhulumeni wakhipha imali engango 3.4 billion ukuthi kwakhiwe le stadium. But unfortunately, uSibusiso Nene akatholanga ngisho isenti. Ngokomthetho, uSibusiso Nene was supposed to sign a licensing agreement. I-agreement eshoyo ukuthi le company enikwe le tender, since ithi ifuna ukuthatha i-design yakhe iyuse as a foundation to build the stadium, uzothola u5%. Now if you do the maths, u5% of u3.4 billion is 170 million. uSibusiso Nene nomndeni wakhe was supposed to receive imali engango 170 million rands just for designing the stadium. Hlakanipha ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi abelungu namabhunu are our enemies. Le stadium sakosta u3.4 billion ukuthi sakhiwe. Every year le stadium si generator imali engango 100 million every year. So it's not like aba afford ukukhokhela umndeni wakakunene ama royalties abo kuze kuhlangane lo 170 million ababakweleta wona. Abafuni. They try so hard ukufihla iqiniso, akukho ngisho istatue sakunene lapha, akukho ngisho istatue saSibusiso lapha esichaza the truth ukuthi le stadium siqhamuka. They tried so hard ukufihla iqiniso ngenxa yokuthi iSitha sinemali, sizohlezi sizama ngayo yonke indlela ukufihla iqiniso. Aswafunde nawe amangabo. The Moses Mapida Stadium was designed by a consortium led by GMP Architecture. Amanga. Ayaqhubeka manga julile cause bathi the winning design was also selected by the Ibhola Lethu Consortium. Abafuni ukhipha iqiniso. Abafuni umndeni wakunene uthole irecognition. Abafuni umuntu omnyama ashine. This is EGMP. EGMP i-construction company yase Poland. Ibona abanikwa itenda engango 3.4 billion ukuthi bakhe iMoses Mabhida Stadium. Kodwa inkinga yabo yabayodwa babengenayo i-design good enough for le stadium. Ingakho ba creator le fake competition le eyawinwa uSibusiso Nene. After they got i-design for le stadium, bamlahla aside uSibusiso njengoChephiso Ngenashukela. And then they used the design yakhe to build iMoses Mabhida Stadium. Baqede bangamupha u5% wakhe we-licensing agreement. Unfortunately, between unyaka 2010 nonyaka 2012, uSibusiso Nene fell ill. uSibusiso Nene felt engathi ama-achievements akhe abukelwa phansi ngobe umuntu omnyama. uSibusiso Nene felt like le credits awumele ayitholanga. And whilst abantu abaningi eSouth Africa celebrated iFIFA World Cup, uSibusiso was waiting to be credited, at least abongwe for achieving into engaka. But kunalokho kwathulakala nje. Kwathulakala wangasho lutho uthi uSibusiso wenze lento kwangavela mali as a thank you to him. And so uSibusiso fell into depression. And depression unfortunately yabuild up kakhulu. Kwathi sekushaya unyaka 2013, uSibusiso unalived himself. Finally, after years of amanga from ISITA sizama ukufihla ama-achievement of uSibusiso Nene, a black child. Iqiniso siyaqala liyaphuma kancane kancane. The former mayor of eThekwini, uMr Mlaba, waya on an interview, wagcine confessile. These are his words. One of the good things that happened during my time as the mayor was the Moses Mabhida Stadium. I will never forget the young man, uSibusiso Nene, who came with a model crafted from wire, which is the concept for iMoses Mabhida Stadium. I referred him to the technical team who were in charge of the stadium. Indeed, the whole framework you see of the stadium came from the child, from Hammersdale. It was his idea. They lied to us. ISITA saqamba manga. They said iMoses Mabhida Stadium was built by EGMP Group. Bayifihla indaba yaSibusiso Nene. Bamncisha imali yakhe ye-licensing agreement u5% wakhe. Ku 3.4 billion bekuyini nje umnika uSibusiso u170 million. Because either way, he is the one who came up with the design. Without him laying down a foundation, ngaba ibanga nje iMoses Mabhida.